Hello, in this video I want to show you how to use Magnifier in HP AIO. And to do this you will need to click on the start, go to your settings, find ease of access. Right here you should see Magnifier. Now you can enable or disable it. You can also press Windows logo key on your keyboard with a plus to turn on Magnifier. And you can press Windows logo key with escape to turn it off. Now if you're in it, you can see that we have a lot of zoom, and to leave it you will need to click on this minus, then it will zoom out. If you want to zoom in again, click on the plus. If you want to fully turn it off using this switch, simply click on it again. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.